Hi guys, this is Sai from Modsters Automotive Chennai. Today we are going to have a look at our Modsters own custom rear bumper for Virtus. So you guys have so many questions regarding this bumper. So we thought we'll clear it out with a small video. This is the actual bumper. It's a complete bumper with the diffuser section below. So this gets directly mounted onto your stock mountings. The flanges are here, which goes under the tail lamps. And these are the places where the actual mounting happens on your bumper, and this is a bolting point at the side for your quarter panel. The mounting remains the same as the stock bumper. So you also have the holes already preset for your reverse sensors. You need to remove from the stock bumper and paste them here. And we also have a provision here to remove your stock reflectors from your OEM bumper and put it here. Okay, this is also mounted. Has a screw at the back. Remove that and put the screw here and mount it. So it's all very straightforward. Other than this, we offer the exhaust tips and this custom fabricated mounting. So this directly goes onto a chassis member hole, which is already there on the cars, both on Slavia and the Virtus. You just need to, attach this exhaust to this ring and bolt it onto your chassis members. No welding, nothing required. If you don't want a functional system, just an aesthetic styling part. You also get these two clamps, which needs to be mounted at the center to prevent the vibration of this bumper, because this is slightly bigger than the stock bumper. Clamps are also given. And this is the brake LED reflector, which connects to your brake light wiring. This is pretty much it. So it's a very straightforward, plug and play installation. We have already shipped around 44 bumpers so far and have great reviews for this product. If you have any more queries, you can drop a DM and our team will get back to you. Thank you.